The American dollar on the verge of collapse. You're seeing video after video after video of everybody telling you they're going to wake up and the American dollar is going to be at zero. Remember, this is just my opinion. Don't make any financial moves, but I'm going to share with you what I truly believe is happening. Yes, the American dollar is on a big decline since 2002 to 2023, about 20 years. You've seen about a 14% decrease in the dollar's global dominance. Or to look at a different way, the US dollar as share of global central bank reserves has dropped from 72% in 2022 to 58% in 2002. So about a 20-year difference. So yes, there definitely is a decline in the dollar dominance, but people saying that all of a sudden they're going to wake up and it's going to be like Venezuela, US dollar is going to go down to zero is foolish in my opinion. The American dollar controls everything in the economy. Remember, in 1971, we detached from the gold standard, making our money fake fiat money. In 1974, we did the deal with the Saudis to trade all US dollars or all oil in US dollars. What you are seeing is a fragmentation of the monetary system, a digitization of the traditional banking system, a globalization of the monetary system because of the borders breaking down, not physical borders. Well, I guess you could say physical borders. I'm not talking about human capital. I'm talking about digital movement of money. We went from banks where you just walked into and you did your transaction with a banker to interbanking, to online banking, debit card transactions, being able to use your money globally with a debit card or a credit card, to now the complete globalization and digitization of your monetary system. You can't operate in the old traditional banking system in this new quantum field. So what you're seeing is a transition from traditional banking to quantum banking. Money moving at the speed of light. You having sovereignty, being able to run your own transactions. Eventually on these blockchain technologies, things like XRPL, or different platforms like that, you're going to be able to build your own governance and have your own ability, things like Ethereum, build your own system where you can run your own bill pay and do your own banking. They know that. So yes, the American dollar is losing dominance for many reasons. The BRICS country are adding country after country after country, or they have a lot of applications for people to join the BRICS countries, which is Brazil, India, Russia, China, and South Africa. And they're working to break free from the US dollar's dominance. So the big banks, Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan, Bank of America, and all the biggest investors in the world understand this. So there's a globalization happening of financial investments, of real estate, of asset managers. And as they flood us out of this blockchain technology and crypto, they're getting set up on the back end, just like JP Morgan and Onyx are now dollar trades on Onyx blockchain system with 6 large Indian banks, private banks. Coinbase selected BlackRock to provide Aladdin clients access to crypto trading and custody via Coinbase Prime, largest asset manager in the world. Norwegian Central Bank uses Ethereum that could build national digital currency. Here's the breakdown if you can read that language. So my point behind this, yes, the dollar is losing dominance slowly, methodically, but it's a transition, not a collapse. So here's what I'm doing personally. Is yes, I'm heavily invested in a speculative asset called crypto, diversified across cryptocurrency. I don't bank on that for my retirement. I used fiat money, the American dollar, to buy crypto, which is also fake. It's fake money buying fake money. It's in a quantum computer. What I mean by that, it's not a real world, tangible thing I can hold, or something that's been around for a very long time and is time tested and true. And what I mean by truth, the fact that we don't have regulation. We have no idea what they're going to do with this cryptocurrency space yet. So I'm using this amazing speculative technology that I believe is going to be the new infrastructure of the financial system, and I'm picking winners and losers, what I think are going to be. And when it goes parabolic in 2024 to 2025, I'm pulling profits, 50% of my portfolio, exiting on the way up. So as the public is getting excited and coming in at the top prices, I'm selling them my cryptocurrency. I'm taking my profits and putting it into fiat, which would be fake money. Then I'm immediately transitioning that for me into index universal life. Life insurance has been around for a very, very long time because banks take your money, your fake money that you deposit into their bank, they index it, they lend it, and they put it in the capital markets. They give you 1% and they go make 10% off your money. So I just take my money out of the banks and I put it into Index Universal Life, and I do the same thing that they do. So that secures my wealth. Nobody can touch it. Even if they sue you, they can't touch it. The IRS can't touch it. And it guarantees my principal based on how you set the policy up. That's really important. I can also put riders on there within the first year if I want access to my money right away, or I can just let it sit there and compound. So basically, if I put the proper rider on it within the first year when I deposit it, I can take my money back out as a loan, tax-free, and put that into other assets if I choose to. People call that the infinity banking concept. I'm also diversified in business. Business is physical to me. I can tangibly see the numbers. I have employees. I can beat inflation. So I use business to beat inflation. I'm diversified across information, technology, and attention. Precious metals. I focus on silver for barterability. I don't have a ton of it, but I have a little bit for barterability just in case everything comes collapsing down. And now we're heading into real estate. And we're also in pre-IPOs. So over the past 5 to 6 years, we've studied methodically on how the system works and what the billionaires are doing. We get non-emotional about this stuff. It's everybody's opinion, to include mine. The only thing that's right is your feeling and vibration based on your gut feeling. But if you don't clean up your food, if you don't clean up your mind, if you don't start exercising and realign with your true body, you can be moved back and forth. So I love you guys. I appreciate you. Hope this information reaches you well. Remember, I will never proactively DM you. Those are all scammers. I don't contact you on WhatsApp or Telegram. I have a Warrior Academy, www.3twarrioracademy.com, where everything's in my bio here. We do everything under the protection of our academy due to thousands and thousands of scammers. We built an amazing community of like-minded individuals just like you to help each other get our shit together in the craziest, amazing transition in human history. Have a great day. Warriors, get your shit together. Love you guys.